Hi, welcome to MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia on beautiful Lake Lanier. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler Montauk 17. New features on this boat include the optional seat that goes in both directions, your two jump seats on the back that are removable, so if you want to use it as a fish deck. This boat's equipped with a 115 Mercury outboard. Has the extended swim platform to the port side with the ladder, boarding ladder should you want to swim off the boat. Moving this seat back to the driving position, you've got the center mounted console, Fusion stereo, which is Bluetooth by the way, your fuel gauge, battery gauge, speedometer, panel switch with horn, nav, light, your bilge pump, auxiliary bilge pump, two drink holders, a flip-up light holder, and a magnetic compass. You can access this panel from the console from both sides. One side is your tackle. You have two tackle boxes that you can pull out from here. The other side is access to your battery storage compartment, which you can open from here. Coming forward, you have four rod holders, an optional cooler with a cushion and a backrest, more deck area here for fishing platform, anchor well. This boat is wired for addition of trolling motors, a nice stainless steel guide for your anchor rode. I had this boat out a couple days ago. This is an all-new haul last year. This boat rides exceptionally well for a 17 boat through a very good shop. This is an enjoyable boat that I wouldn't hesitate to go fishing out on a calm day in any ocean around Florida or the West Coast.